The cloud is a technology that promised freedom, but rather delivered addiction. Addiction to hyperscaler prices, addiction to vendor decisions, and addiction to contracts that change rules without warning. Just think about the Broadcom VMware earthquake. At Elemento, we decided to break this loop. Elemento was founded in 2021 in Cuneo, in Italy, with one clear vision. Any organization in the whole world deserves full control on their cloud platform and infrastructure, without having to choose between performance, cost, and most importantly, freedom. At the heart of everything is the C4 protocol, which is a patent in Italy, Europe, and published in the US, India, China, Korea, Japan, Israel. It is a self-organizing protocol to let the servers automatically organize in a swarm of servers able to provide services, without the need of a central controller, without the need of a vCenter. No single point of failure, just servers that self-organize to provide services to the users. On top of that, we built our ecosystem of solutions. First and foremost, there is AtomOS, our Linux-based hypervisor, which is based on KVM, which is Red Hat compliant, and that is built to be installed on bare metal servers, exploiting as much as possible CPUs, storage, and GPUs for AI workloads. And then there is Atomosphere, our collection of connectors to existing cloud providers such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and many others, especially European ones. Last but not least, there is Electros. Electros is an orchestration dashboard that can connect to AtomOS and can connect to cloud providers through Atomosphere, and lets you orchestrate, monitor, and automate the entire life cycle of your cloud infrastructure from one single interface. Our values are simple: freedom of choice, cost efficiency, and security by design. And of course, digital sovereignty, built by us as Europeans for the whole world. Your cloud, your rules, your freedom. This is Elemento.